Are you guys possibly looking for some cheap modifications that you can do to your 5th gen 4Runner? Behind me I have ours, and we're going to be going over all of the things done to it that cost less than $100. I'm Corey, and this is Yota Expedition. So before we get started, I just want to say that everything in this video is available on yotaexpedition.com. I'll put every individual link down in the description, so if there's a specific product that you see and you're interested in, you can go ahead down in the description, find the link, click it, it'll take you right to our product page. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into our first one. So let's start things off with our most popular selling item, the Blackout Kit. A lot of people these days, they don't want chrome. So with the Blackout Kit, you can easily cover up all of those chrome logos on the outside of your 4Runner. We also have a topography edition, which is a nice touch to just be a little bit different than what everyone else has. So for around 94 bucks, you can grab yourself a set and cover up all those chrome emblems on the outside of your 4Runner. So to go along with the Blackout Kit and exterior styling, we've been asked multiple times, where can I get the Yota Expedition side decals? So we decided to make them available to the public. They're available in black and white and one length that should fit the 4Runner, Tacoma, or Tundra. So if you want to pick up a set of these, you want to rep Yota Expedition on the side of your rig, we greatly appreciate the support, and they look awesome as well. All right, next up, we're going to be looking at some lighting options. So right here we have our sequential turn signals. These are coming in at $89. So your OEM turn signals on your mirror are not sequential, and the housing has chrome in it, which no one wants. These are smoked, sequential, and definitely gives your 4Runner a cleaner, more modern look. All right, so continuing on with the lighting upgrades, we have our LED third brake light. This is available in smoked and red lens option. It has a running light built in. It is an option to wire that in. You don't have to. Your OEM one does not have a running light, so that is an upgrade. Or if you're just looking for a different look, this is a good option as well. That's going to be coming in at $89. And then we have our LED license plate lights. This is a huge upgrade from your OEM ones, which are pretty dull and yellow. These are super bright, they're white. It's not only going to help light up your license plate, but it's going to help in situations where you're using your rear camera. Maybe you're trying to hook up a trailer and you want to see where the hitch is a little bit better. That's definitely going to help, and that's only 15 bucks. So another popular upgrade is the AVS window visors. Right here we have the low profile ones mounted on our 4Runner. A set of these is going to be coming in at about 86 bucks. And this is nice to just be able to crack your window on those rainy days. And some people just like the way that they look. And to go along with the AVS window visors, we have the AVS hood deflector. Obviously, we don't have one currently mounted on our 4Runner anymore, but we did, and it definitely gives the truck a different look. You might like how it looks. It also gives the front end some protection from rock chips and stuff like that on the highway, whatever, and bugs obviously splattering on your hood. So if you want one of those, they're going to be starting around $67. And while we're up front, we'll go over the D-ring and pulling strap. So if you're someone that plans on going off-roading, this is definitely something that is essential to have with you in the back of your 4Runner. Whether you need it or somebody else needs it, it's nice to have. And for one D-ring and a strap, you can grab a set for about 70 bucks. All right, so moving to the interior of the 4Runner, we have WeatherTech floor mats. These are great to have if you're getting in and out with dirty shoes, if you're off-roading, stuff like that. They're easy to clean. You pull them out, pressure wash them, throw them back in. They fit the floor perfectly. You have like almost no carpet showing to get dirty. And for a front set of these floor mats, you're looking at about 89 bucks, and it's definitely worth it. So next up in the interior, we have the emblem for the steering wheel. So whether you want this in black or topo, it's definitely a nice touch to get rid of that chrome. I've even had some times where I'm driving and the sun was hitting the chrome just in the right spot and it was blinding me, and it's kind of annoying. So for around 20 bucks, you can grab one of these, slap that on, and no more chrome. So the next mod in the interior is going to be the shift knob. The OEM shift knob in the 4Runner is silver. It's pretty ugly. So if you want to upgrade that and get a cleaner look, you can get the TRD Pro one, which is black. That's going to be right under 100 bucks at $99. If you want to upgrade further, we have the brand new Tinkerer design and Yota Expedition collaboration knob, which is what we currently have mounted in here, and that's going to run you about 130 bucks. And lastly, we have the center console organizer. The center console on the 4Runner is pretty much a black hole, and they expect you to just throw a bunch of stuff in there on a big pile and be able to find what you're looking for. So with the center console organizer, it's definitely a nice, cheap touch. 15 bucks, throw it in here. You can actually have some sort of organization and find what you're looking for. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap this one up. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully there was something in this video that you actually would like to get for your 4Runner as well. If there is, click the link in the description and head over to yotaexpedition.com. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.